Today is October 22nd, 2019. We're going to take a look at Tesla. Tesla is scheduled to report earnings after the close tomorrow. So we're going to take a look at some of the numbers, what the market is projecting it for Tesla to move in terms of a good number or bad number. So let's begin looking at the delivery number. On October the 2nd, 2019, a press release was put out by Tesla to kind of give a little insight of the third quarter vehicle delivery, and that was after Elon Musk had tweeted to say that it has a possibility of targeting 100,000 vehicle delivery for this quarter. So the number came out and it was 97,000. So the Wall Street and the naysayers sort of beat up Tesla about not meeting that 100,000 vehicle. But let me point that out to you. It did say right here that the number could vary by 0.5%, right here. And that is about 4,800 vehicle or so. So it certainly is within the realm if we add, it's only short about 3,000 vehicle. So who knows, maybe tomorrow when it report earning, it will also give the final total number, and that might be 100,000 or might be even over 100,000. Production was 96,155 vehicles. And of that comprised of 16,318 Model S and X and 79,837 Model 3. The delivery for the Model S and X was 17,400 and the Model 3 is 79,600. Now, before we go and take a look at the price chart and also what the market projections are, I'd like to take this moment and to remind you to click the thumbs up if you like the content in this video. If you are not a subscriber on my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe and the notification icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's go and take a look at the chart here. This is the weekly chart. As you can see, just to remind ourselves, there has been two range, right? Okay, there's this range of the somewhere around 248 to near 390. Here is somewhere around 248 and 178. So you can see that been hovering around this lower range here ever since the this Q1 quarterly report, and it's been trying to maybe make its way back up to this top of the range. So we'll see what it'll be able to do that this quarter here, because it seems to be trying to make a move here, sneak back up into this range after the previous quarter report that it knocks it back down into this range between 248 and 178. And here on the daily chart, we see that the market is pricing in a plus or minus 8.3% move, and that is about $21.15. And based on today's close, that represents a range of somewhere around between $276.73 to $234.43. Yeah, but marked it up here. Here's the dash line that represents the upper and the lower range. And the consensus is the market is expecting Tesla to report a loss of 41 cents per share at a revenue of 6.61 billion. The whisper number is actually expected to lose only 25 cents per share. So let's see how Tesla come in with the number. Will it be able to beat this number? If Tesla actually turn a profit, that will be a very big pleasant surprise, and that would definitely help push this thing back up above this 276 and possibly make its way up toward the 389 area, the upper bound of the top range. If it failed to deliver just like last quarter and had a big negative surprise, and let's say you lose, $1 or $2, then that will be very negative, and we probably will see Tesla come down and break below this 234 and 43 and possibly work its way back down to this 178 over time. Recently, Tesla been holding this trend line and spoke about this resistance here, and now it's pulling back So we'll see, will Tesla be able to hold this resistance tomorrow and then make a push up to that 76 to 76, 73 area with a positive report, or break this support and eventually break this trend line and push down below the 234 if it failed to deliver positive result. Okay, so good luck.